plant lovers. How is it going for you in this cold weather with your plants? I want to share with you what's going on with my plants. Of course, the neighbor's dog is making it difficult for me right now. But I wanted to show you what's going on in my world back here in Atlanta, Georgia. You're looking at my blueberry tree. They are still going. I have two of them planted beside one another because you know you have to have a pair. They seem to be holding up. This is my first year trying that. I also have a plum tree here that started as a teeny tiny little plant. It's actually growing and I am happy about that. But it's holding up in the cold weather really well. This right here is my muscadine tree. I cut it back. I've had it for about 3 years now. I cut it back each winter, and come spring and summertime, a huge difference. And I'll share those before and after pictures of my muscadine for you when the time comes. But this is what it looks like. Our old faithful rosemary, she's still holding up really well. The cold weather never bothers her, and I still get to harvest quite a bit during the cold weather season. Lavender baby, oh yeah. She is always good to me. Cold weather does not bother her at all. And it's the same thing, I get to harvest quite a bit. And here she is. I'm gonna give her a different home though. This right here around these building blocks, they're just temporary. And yep, my lavender baby.